Hi, my name is Katy and I work with Progressive Dimensions in the office. One of my job duties here is to confirm templates with the homeowner and also make sure that they are prepared for our templater to come out. One of the first things we ask is we just want to make sure that if they are brand new cabinets that they are fully installed, nothing loose or missing, because any small change in the cabinets after our templater measures could be an issue later on after the fabrication of them. If they're existing countertops, we just like to make sure that they're clear of any debris, dishes, microwave, toaster, just nothing in the way, because we do use a laser measurement, so we just want to make sure that the surface is clear. Appliances, the main appliances that we go by, we just like to make sure if it's a sliding range that it's on site. A lot of people don't know the difference between a slide-in and a freestanding. A freestanding usually has the backing with the time and the temperature controls on it, and a slide-in sometimes leaves a little gap in the back with no backing, and we like to measure a filler for that, so that's why we would like to make sure that it's on site. With the sink, if you're supplying a sink, we need to make sure it's on site as well. Our templater will take that back to the shop so that we can program the measurements correctly. We also just want to make sure that the templating area is clear of any children or small pets so they don't interfere with the templating process. If you guys have any questions in regards to your countertop project, you can always reach us at the main office. Thanks for listening to me, guys.